Mama Does Nails, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I have missed you guys so much. Now let me tell you how much I have missed you, like infinity and beyond, honestly. So I'm okay, the procedure went well. I didn't really tell anyone that that's what was happening, and it just tied in with, you know, the kids breaking up from school. My baby is transitioning into big school, so there was a lot going on. We're done up their rooms, got some new beds for them. I'm getting a popo. Yes, I'm getting a popo. I'm so excited. Like, honestly, like, I wasn't going to say anything, but it's just come out of my mouth now, so it is what it is. But definitely I'll be sharing lots and lots of videos and stuff with you. We just can't wait. Myself and the boys really needed a therapy pet, and I feel that we've got so much love bursting out of us that we are ready to give it to that popo. So anyway, guys, I just thought I'd start off with that because I have missed you. I haven't just gone AWOL. You know, it was just a lot, and I had to really let my back heal. I was absolutely banned from the nail table, Priya K's Nails, Raven's Reviews, Nailed by Envy. They told me, you go near that table, girl, is a problem for you. So I stayed away. And I was watching Witcher. The Witcher? Yeah, I rewatched it because there was a new season, and oh my... Anyway, let's not go into it. Let's just say I'm rewatching like season 3 again because it was a lot. But yeah, so today this video, I've got some Born Pretty, which actually came. Now, let me tell you the other boohoo that happened. My phone, you could say, died. It's been giving me lots of issues. So I've been trying to just deal with it and just waiting, and I was due an upgrade, so we just did that. This is the first sort of video that I'm filming using this new phone, so I cannot wait to see. This quality better be what it is because I've read so many reviews about it. So I'm really looking forward to it, to just rewatching this and just seeing how good the quality is. I mean, I like my other phone, but you know, it is what it is. Anyway, guys, we're going to get into the video because I've been talking for 2 minutes and 33 seconds and you haven't seen anything. So don't forget, guys, there are discount codes going across the screen. You can use it to save yourself 10% when you order at bornpretty.com. So I've got 5 things here, but I know 4 of them are gel polishes and 1 is a functional gel. So I already took the plastic wrapping and everything off, and we're gonna get into this. So yeah, this is an 8-in-1 nail glue. Absolutely love Born Pretty's 8-in-1, 6-in-1, 5-in-1. I just love it because I love multitasking and I love having things that have more than one use. Okay, so this is JN41, which is a jelly. We're gonna get into that. Just getting, oops, everything out of the box. Now this is a Holo cat eye, which absolutely needed to try. Come on, this is jelly. And what have we got? JN27, which is another jelly. So yeah, you're catching on with the theme. So I've got the rest of my jellies out, and I am going to do a quick nailed it for you because I've missed you all. And JN40. So that's what I got, and that's the 8-in-1 glue we're going to use when I do the nailed it video. So no, I'm closed. This content is just for people that I love, like, back off. So let's get that there. There's the magnet, I can see it. And I'm going to use my Born Pretty magnet. Even though it looks like this, it means it's loved and been really used. Okay, so I've got some swatch sticks out, and JN41, absolutely love this color. I think it's like a turquoise, not think, but it is. So I'm just going to swatch it on a clear swatch, and I just want you to see how beautiful these jellies are. It's literally like glass. Now I don't have a jelly this color and I needed it. So we're going to pop her in the lamp. And I'm going to do the cat eye last. So this is JN27. And this one is like a yellow honey color. Now, I think Priya K's Nails actually has this one, because she was like, sister, this would make absolutely amazing honey. So I am going to do a not bumblebee, but a bee set. I have been wanting to do one ever since I started my nail journey. Just never had the confidence to do it. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just literally putting it everywhere. But I do like this. I do. So we're gonna cure that. Ooh, it looks like it's not glowing, but you know, something's happening. And then I have JN40. So altogether I've got, I think I've about 5 of their jelly colours. Now this is a red, because the red for me, yeah, I needed this. This is blood. You know, Halloween's coming. Oh yeah, this is a nice red. It's I can't, like, it's definitely like syrup red. I would say syrup. I'm sure in America you guys call it syrup too, but that's what it's giving. Okay, so we're gonna cure that. And that magnetic cat eye, it's a hollow one, right? So let me get a black swatch stick. Okay, so I got the black swatch stick. Now this is the Holo cat eye, which I really want to see, because I have lots of cat eyes from Born Pretty, but I don't think I have a Holo one. And already I can tell now with this kind of cat eye, you actually get the best when it's on a dark color. I mean, now there is no base coat on this tip, this swatch stick. I've just literally put that polish straight on there. Look at that coverage. We haven't even used the magnet, and that's what I love about the Holo, because it just looks beautiful anyway. So I'm just going to use the magnet, and I'm just going to leave it there. We're just going to, you know, wake up those magnetic particles on that cat eye, you know. And then once you've done that, you can literally just move it around where you want to. I love Born Pretty cat eyes because they're so responsive. Because that is the difference between any cat eye that you can use. It's about the magnetic pigments in there. That's what makes your cat eye strong or weak. So if you're using a cat eye and it's not really giving and it's acting weak, then that's the reason why, honestly. Now, this is just one coat. Now, I haven't top coated or anything. I just did one coat of the jelly, and you know, that's it. It's meant to be translucent. It's meant to be see-through. It's absolutely lovely. I will leave a link for the colors. Now, I do have another 2 here that I had from a previous Born Pretty PR, and that's JN25 and JN38. And obviously I had to get my pink, which is JN38. It's absolutely beautiful pink. I unboxed this a few videos ago, and this one is JN25, which I don't think I have had a chance to use. So this is another beautiful green. So I'm going to do a quick nail dip using those colors. And here is how the Holo cat eye looks. She's absolutely gorgeous. Love it. And as I said, you could just put some starbursts and stuff. You could put, you know, art. You could use foil. There's so much. Stickers. I have put some of this white from Born Pretty on my palette. I'm going to use the watercolor nail gel, which is basically like a blooming gel. So again, I've not used any base coat or anything. I'm just going to go in with the watercolor. Now I find to avoid flooding, you don't need too much, because what will happen is it will just give you a lot of hassle, go around the edges, down the edges. So it's really, you know, you just need to put enough that doesn't literally, you know, it's going to work. So I'm just using a little brush and I'm going to go in with the white. So I'm just going to make some like, I'm going to put some dots down. It's not a design. And just let it bloom, basically. And as I said, guys, the kids are off, so you're going to hear lots of noises, which, you know, I can't do nothing about because they don't care that I'm filming. So this is it. I'm just going to put that down and just let it bloom. That's all you need to do. And I love what it does anyway, naturally. Now I'm trying to keep it as straight as possible. Yeah, so you know, everything, and you can already see the pattern alone for me is already giving. So I think I want to leave like a little negative space. I'm just going to just continue at the tip, the free edge, put one there. And it's so tempting. I'm just like, I just want to do the whole thing, but maybe I'll leave just a smaller space. You can literally hear everything. That sounded like, you know, a biker gang, literally just like saying, I don't care that you're filming, sod you're filming, you know. But honestly, just seeing that, and I'm just like, you know what, let's just cover the nail. Let's just cover it. Okay, so I've put all the jelly colours down on the palette, including the red, but when I put the red one down, I said to myself I wasn't sure. So now I'm just going to use the jelly colours and I'm going to just, you know, I'm going to paint those cells. Now this is the pink one. And put a few, you know, down there. No, why did I do that? Oh yeah, I know, because it's pink. We'll do pink everything. Okay, so this part's a bit tedious, right? I'm going to speed this up. I've cured everything. I did a full 60 seconds. So now I'm going to trust the process. I did get another magnet cat eye out. Okay, I think it was the super shine. So I'm just going to see, because I don't know what's going to happen. So I'm just putting that over what I've just done, because remember, they're all like jelly colours. and I didn't put no base coat or anything. Now I would say if you're actually doing the nails, do so you can protect it. This magnet's always going somewhere. So I'm just gonna shift and play around with that cat eye. Now this is not the Holo. This is a super shine cat eye. Absolutely love this stuff. Because on a design like this, I don't know, it just kind of brings it to life. It just gives it something else. I don't know what that something else is, but I don't know. I just love it. Anyway, I'm going to cure this. So I'm going to try the 8-in-1 glue. I'm just going to stick a few charms on there and see how it sort of fares. These are little, like, they're little birds. Like the guy I normally get my charms from, he always sends you some cute stuff. Thank you all so much for watching, and they stuck down really well. It doesn't cure non-stick, so you know that's something to think about, but they are stuck. I love that. And those little birds are just transparent, but they are UV changing. Wait, didn't I just put new batteries in here? Because if my son's been in my lamp again, I am going to lose it, because that kid, he does the most. Okay, I think I need to get another rechargeable one because the batteries die in that one so quick. But anyway, that's it. Those jelly colors from Born Pretty are absolutely gorgeous. Love them, love them. And that's our swatches there. This is the Holo cat eye from Born Pretty. Absolutely stunning. Let me just turn that off before I accidentally cure something. So yeah, guys, thank you so much everyone for watching. I'm not going to make this one too long. I will probably, you know, take some bits out, but yeah, let's get you off the nail stand. Oh, it's so refreshing to use a phone that's not heating up or trying to do the most. But yeah, here's the finished look. That cat eye though, we have to come back and do something with her. And the jellies, and where's the swatch? You know, when you're looking through the phone but you can't see it. So beautiful. See what I mean? It makes it look like really juicy, really fun. Just putting that super shiny cat eye on top of that. Absolutely love it. Anyway, guys, Mama Does Nails is out. I love you. Please catch me in the next one. Mwah.